Soapy's spirit was proud if he went to any of these places. There were certain things he had to do. In one way or another, he would have to pay for what they gave him. They would not ask him for money, but they would make him to wash his whole body. They would make him answer questions. They would want to know everything about his life. No, prison was better than that. The prison had rules that he would have to follow. But in prison, a gentleman's own life was still his own life. Soapy, having decided to go to the island, at once began to move towards his desire. There were many easy ways of doing his. The most pleasant way was to go and have a good dinner at some fine restaurant. Then he would say that he had no money. Then very quickly the cops will arrest him. He would be taken to a judge. The judge would do the rest. Soapy left his seat and walked slowly out of the mansion square to the place where great street called Broadway and Fifth Avenue meet. He went across this wide space and started north on the Broadway. He stopped at a large, brightly lighted restaurant. This was where the best food and the best people in the best clothes appeared every evening. Soapy believed that above his leg he is locked. All right, his face was clean, his coat was good enough. If he could get a table, he believed that the success would be his. The part of him that would be seen above the table would look alright. The waiter would bring him what he asked for. He began thinking of what he would like to eat. In his mind, he could see the whole dinner. The cost would not be too high. He did not want the restaurant people to feel any real angry, but the dinner would leave him filled and happy for the journey to his winter home.